up guys, it's your girl Aisha, and today I'm back with another video. If you are new, welcome to my channel. My name is Aisha, and if you're a returning subscriber, thanks so much for coming back to my videos. So today, I don't know why I'm doing all this, but today I'm going to be doing a what's on my iPhone, if you can't tell by the title. So let's get straight into the video. Start off with my iPhone, obviously, because you know. So I actually have the iPhone 11. And it's the red. I really regret getting the red. I love red, if you can't tell, but lavender has just been my color lately. So they have a lavender one and I wish I would have gotten. So hopefully when they bring out the new one, hopefully in September, because they always bring them out my month of my birthday, that they have the new one. So this one is the red, and this is my case because I love cheetah print, if you can't tell. Yes, I got cheetah print AirPod case too. What do you like? Cheetah print everything. And so we're gonna start off with my home screen. That's me and my boyfriend, my boo thing. All right, so this is actually where the home screen is. So this is like my beginning screen. We can go through my messages, not go through them, but you guys will like see, you know, who I message and stuff. So yeah, a lot of unsaved phone numbers. They're like telemarketers, so don't get fooled there. We're gonna look at my calendar. I'm a busy gal. This is like how I stay consistent with my videos. I'm uploading today and I have to like mop, but I mopped yesterday, so you know, record a new video, that's what I'm doing. And my photos, let's see here, I don't know, oh, I was recording it earlier. I was recording my screen. So these are my videos and my pictures and stuff. As you can see, I have a lot of like pictures of myself, literally a lot of pictures of myself that I probably don't even post, which I should. I have 1,644 photos, so that's a lot. Oh my god, I don't know why I like did that. Ew, awkward. I can't even cut it out, so whatever. So let's see here. I'm in Phoenix, so this is how hot it is today. It's 115. So yeah. Let's see. These I have like my finances, like my credit cards, my debit card that you know I have, and then obviously I have like my YouTube as well. I have my Victoria's Secret. I hardly go on Victoria's Secret now because it's just I'm hardly on there. As you can see, like it's saying like to log in. Like I hate when you haven't been on an app so long and they tell you to log in. So there's that. I have this freaking game called Clash Royale that I'm literally obsessed with. I probably play this game every day, like not even joking. I'll show you like a little battle or two and then like I'll literally quit in the middle of the battle. The person's probably gonna be like irritated, but literally this is how the game is. So you know, you just like get your character and you run it over there, and the person who's playing is like down here, like they should be playing their characters, which it looks like they actually already quit. So this is a perfect game to like quit on. So this is literally how the game is, and your point is to, oh well, they didn't quit, spoke too soon. Your point is to try to get that tower like knocked down, and like obviously you're trying to get victory. So as you can see, these people are throwing mad stuff, and you know they're not letting us hit their towers. So I know they're gonna be mad, but I want to leave, but I don't want to leave. This, like I said, this game is addicting. So like if you literally get in the game, like you will be obsessed. I'm not even joking. It's something to have like to do during the summer. So there's that game. Then obviously I have my Snapchat. So I don't really like, I'm not really on Snapchat that much, just because I've been on Snapchat since I was like in 4th or 5th. No, probably like 7th grade. I'm really bad, if you can't tell, at saying like my ages of when I was doing something, but yeah, that I don't really use Snapchat. So these are like utilities. I don't know why it says utilities if they're not utilities. I have like the compass. No one like really uses that. I don't know why it's even on here. The measure, I don't. There was like this one time when they did update it, you could like measure a cup. That was like pretty cool. And then after I stopped using it, I have the calculator, find my phone, because I have other stuff that I need to like find, you know. I have the Forever 21, which no one really uses Forever 21. I could have swore that they were going out of business, but they're still here. Not like I love them obviously, but you know. American Eagle, which is where I get majority of all my jeans. So I'm like waiting for it to load. Oh my gosh, why is it doing this? Yeah, so the American Eagle. Now this is gonna sound like a sponsor, but it's not. But if you guys ever want to save money, there's this thing called Roku or Roku. I don't even know how you pronounce it, but basically if you spend your money somewhere, you get a percent of it back. Like for instance, Best Buy, I spent $542.99 and I got back $5.42. 43 cents, my bad. So definitely look into that. Obviously, your girl has to have AMC theaters. I have my Cash App, which, oh my gosh, I have $10. I have $10. I have $55. I didn't even know about that. So your girl making money. So yeah. And then in here, I have deals. I don't know why, because there's only OfferUp on here. That's a deal. Then I have my Nationwide, which is my car insurance. Mint is where you could it like tracks your spending, I believe. I don't really use that anymore. As you can tell, the app takes forever. I also use this bike app, which is downloading because I haven't used it in so long because it's hot in Arizona, so no one really rides bikes here. But when I travel, I use that a lot. I have my Walgreens, and as you can tell, your girl loves to eat because I got all these food apps. So we got my Dunkin', we got Chick-fil-A, we got fries. I don't know why I have fries on here, but I do. I got Starbucks, which I really hardly have Starbucks now. I'm always at Dunkin' instead. And I have McDonald's, I have Sonic, I have Chili's, and I have Genghis Grill. And I'm pretty sure I probably have more, but they're just nowhere to be found. Then I have more photos here, which is just majority of all my photos and stuff because I lose storage and stuff. So there's that. I do not use any of these. I don't know why they're on my phone, but those are more photo things. You know, like you use something a long time ago and you just never delete it off? That's literally my phone. I know it's like so unorganized. Credit Karma for my credit, and then My Days, which is for my, you know, for my ladies out there for when you're on your cycle. And then I have my PetSmart app, and I have TikTok. Lately I've been stuck on TikTok. Like, I don't even know, like, it's just been, what? There's so many ads, like DG literally. But yeah, I literally just be on TikTok because I like it. It's been clingy lately. Then I have the Bird, which is another like travel, like biking app that I don't use unless I'm traveling. I have more games that I hardly play. Let me tell you, Candy Crush is where it's at, boo boo. Not this one though. This one's pretty high. Let me see how far I am on this one. On this one I'm 381. On the Candy Crush Saga, I think this is the Saga one. I don't know. This is just it's the soda, not Saga. The soda I'm high on because that one I literally look at, like, if I had this much in my bank account, boo boo. Oh my gosh, no one cares about all this. Okay, look at how much. Like, I'm waiting for someone to say they're further than me because I've been playing this game for a long time. And there's also this like fun game called Jump, which later, like I said, I don't play any of these games as much, so they have to like download. For music, which I don't really use them anymore because I have like my Apple. For my ticket, which I'm like very mad because I was supposed to be going to the Nick Cannon concert, that literally got canceled. So yeah, I didn't get to go. And I still haven't got my money back, so Ticketmaster, where's my money at? This is for all my education because I don't know if you guys know, I'm actually a college student. So yes, I'm gonna be going back to school in August. So excited. So there's that. For travel, the last time I traveled was on my birthday on the 29th, where I went to Atlanta. So I use Southwest when traveling, and the app is taking forever. I don't have like patience, if you can't tell. And then I have my Twitter, which I'm hardly on now. I'm like mainly on, you know, mainly on Instagram now. Not really on YouTube. I'm on Twitter. Groupon, Target, because you know you got your coupons and stuff. Then I'm on my Instagram. So, you know, there's your girl right there if you want to go follow. And then shopping, because I shop a lot. So they got my Shein. I have my SNKRS. If anyone knows abbreviations, comment down below because I do not. Fashion Nova. Yeah, so I have a lot of things on here. Then I have this for, it's called Oral-B, which is for my toothbrush. I like stick it on the mirror, my phone, and then I don't know why it's saying hello. Like everything is like my phone. It's like, because I haven't been on certain things for a while, but basically you start it up and it shows your teeth because it's like recording on your phone, and you like brush your teeth while having that on there. Then there's Work, which is for obviously my work. I have a lot of apps. So then there's my app for EOS Fitness because I work out. Because I go to my gym. I don't even like work out, like hardly now. My phone bill with T-Mobile. Sweat coin, basically if you're walking you can earn money for it. At this point I don't even know how much I have. Okay, I have, oh, the last time I came on here I had like $45. So to think I have $475, baby, you can go and deposit that into my bank account, which I wish it worked like that, but it doesn't. But yeah, you can like buy stuff like this, like they have a wallet and stuff like that. So that's what you could spend it on. As you can see, some of the things over here are overpriced, like this. Yeah, so I just like have it on there. And you don't even have to have, you can get a TV too, like you can get some things on there. So there's that. 98.6, which is whenever I feel sick or anything. I have to blur that out. Whenever I feel sick or anything, then I can just tell them, hey, like I'm feeling sick, and they'll be like, what's your symptoms? And then like you speak to a person real quick, and then after you speak to that person, they're like, okay, well, we're gonna send you medication to this place, and you go pick it up. And then there's my delivery foods, Postmates, Uber Eats, DoorDash. I have Cafe Rio, which is another restaurant. Like I said, I'm gonna probably have more that aren't in the thing. I'm sorry. Let me see. Then I also have on here Brawl Stars. It's a little game that you could play, which is also made by Clash. My boyfriend got me on this game. I'm gonna play a little quick game for you guys so you can see how it is. So let's see. So basically I'm the one that's pointing the arrow at, obviously, and you're trying to get a gem, and like you're not wanting the other people to get it. So oh my gosh, this guy that I have, by the way, like, and like if you have your power go up, you know, so as you, oh well, I died, you get put back in the game. Basically the point of the object of the game is you want to have at least 10 total, and the one who has the most, like who has 10 at the time frame, it'll do like a countdown. Once it does the countdown, your team or whoever wins with that, whoever has the most. And then you guys always, like, you all are trying to team up on this person. So yes, this game gets very addictive, but it also gets very boring because as you can see, like, it's kind of repetitive. Like it's the same exact thing every time. Like this person's literally sitting there letting them getting their gems stolen, and my, like, yeah, so I have to help my teammate out. So we're getting there, but I kind of feel bad because your girl is probably gonna quit so that I can continue to record other things. But this is also getting like obsessive. Oh my gosh, we had 10. Who died? What are you doing? Okay, oh my god, go 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 go. Okay, maybe I'm up. What are you, oh my god, see, this person doesn't know how to play because, like, just hide. Just, oh my gosh, just hide. Look at, I'm like saying to hide. Look at, oh my gosh, hide, hide, hide. What are you doing? Okay, we're good. So as you can tell, that's what happens. All right, so that's that game. Obviously I have my Best Buy because your girl loves Best Buy. Like I said, I'm always trying to buy something on Best Buy. So there's that. I have my thumbnail stuff, everything I use for my thumbnail. This is obviously for my YouTube analytics and stuff like that. For shopping, which I think it's gonna have my address on there, so that's why I'm like clicking out of some of these things on here quick. So those are like for shopping. I obviously have my email. I always check my email. Like my email is literally like my social media that I check. And my phone calls is just all these people that call that numbers aren't saved, so that's why it has that in voicemails, because I get a lot of telemarket. Alright, so basically that concludes the end of my video. So if you guys like that video or want to see more of what's on my iPhone, because hopefully when they bring out the new iPhone I'll be doing like another one or doing an unboxing, make sure you comment down below. Peace.